Hi there, and for this video, we'll be showing you how to link your broker to TradingView. Now, of course, we already know that linking your preferred broker to TradingView will allow you to see the charts with better insight. However, we know that some brokers cannot be connected with TradingView. But for the ones that we can connect, let me show you how it's done. So right now we're here on the TradingView homepage, and what I personally like to do is to go to the top on products and simply go to super charts. Now once here, what we have to do is go over to our trading panel right here below the charts, otherwise near center of your screen. And by default, I'm already here. So all I have to do is to scroll down. As you can see here, connect through our trusted brokers. Just click on all brokers. Let me just enlarge the screen real quick. As we can see, these are the supported brokers that can be connected through TradingView. Now, some of them have similar steps when connecting. As in my case, I have connected my BitGet account and my Bybit account. However, the steps for both are different. It is easier to connect your Bybit than your BitGet, but all you have to do is click on them. But because I already have mine connected, it will automatically get me into my Bybit TradingView. Now, in the case you have one already connected as well and you'd like to change it, simply go here to this left hand side of the panel, click on the drop down arrow, go to see the brokers list, and you will be brought to this screen again. Just to note, currently we cannot connect XNES and MetaTrader 4 or 5 to our TradingView. They have their own separate charts that they use. There may be others that cannot be connected as well, but all the traders that you can connect are right here. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.